Alright, so we have one last idea here. Games and animations in Racket are drawn in a two-dimensional world, so we frequently need a way to talk about 2D positions. This led the Racket developers to create a special built-in struct called posn. The authors, in their infinite wisdom, felt that writing 4 extra characters would make their lives too difficult. That's how they came up with the term posn instead of position. But it's the same thing, really. A posn has 2 fields, x and y. So after you make a posn, such as the 2 posns I've created here, we'll get 4 total functions. The posn constructor, posn x, posn y, and posn test, posn. So we have our origin, which is in fact a make posn, 0, 0, and we can find out its x-coordinate by using posn x. We can find out the y-coordinate of the other example I made, some random point, literally some random point, and I get the y-coordinate, 137. And of course, I can always ask if something is a posn, which returns true for actual posns and false for anything else. So the number 5 is not a posn, and the number 0 is not a posn, even though we use it in a posn. It has to be a make posn. And remember, origin and some random point are best classified as make posns. Whether or not you're going to use posn in your game, make sure you're aware of it because the textbook brings it up quite frequently.